candidates for graduation. May I call on the pastors upgrading, from the pastors upgrading program. May I call on Pastora Asoy Maria Corazon A. Let's give him a round of applause. Pakpak sa gudi kagamay para mabigo ang malay. Next we have Pastora Elvie Elmoy. Next we have Pastora Ria May A. Daayata. Next we have Pastora Coripis A. Yanez. Pasa ka na ng Marta Oy. Pasa ka na to. We will start calling on the gentlemen. We have Pastor Balong Nelson D. Next we have Pastor Puloy Romulo R. Next we have Pastor Montesino Efren O. Let's start calling for the candidates of graduation from the diploma program. Let's start with the ladies. First we have Cordelia Flordeliza. Cordelia Flordeliza. Next we have the Lapo Fini D. Hinay-hinay yung parts na para makakuha ng moment pa. Next we have Mahina Ejima T. We have Pastora Martinez Daisy D. Next, we have Pacquiao Michelin T. Pakpak mga kalugo, mga kalite, mga yan. We have Sanchez TC C. Now we will start calling with the gentlemen. We have Abrigana Katz Stanley B. Next in line is Cimeros Jennifer B. Last but not the least, we have Pastor Bezerra Lito D. Kapag mga maganda yung mga sinubulan. Now I will start calling with from the certificate curriculum. Let's start with the ladies. We have Afon Sunshine May P. Pakpak. Next we have Aringo Janice Laurie. Next we have Bacalaris Cynthia.
Thank you.
Next in line is Bacolio Sally F. Please remain standing. No one is allowed to sit yet. Wala sa mga likod. You are too excited to sit. Next we have Bacolio, mana si Bacolio? Dunia Christine Joy. Next we have Jelon Marianne Yu. Next in line is Go Hazel G. Go Minister. Go and preach Hazel. Next is Misa Jovelyn C.
Estado ko.
Next we have Ragma Rolin Rose R. Rolin Rose C. Miss Reyes Beverly C. Next we have Taboclaon Emily G. Next is Taboclaon Maria Carissa N. Ayun sila Taboclaon, no? Next, we have Taboclaon Rita B. Next is Miss Cyrus Jellyby A. Next we have Talison Marie D. We also have Dimba Marie Chris R. Papa. Next in line is Dimba Rebecca S. Next we have Tomindog Salvina R. And the last, and now we start calling on the gentleman. We have Abrokinia RGL.
Pero
Next
to.
we have Apurado. Apurado din siya. Apurado Joey A. We have Bagno Jairus Real A. Baptizo Alvin John Paul C. Next in line is Bonglay Neil John M. Next we have Boris Rangel C. We have Dumana Jerome N. We also have Hapayo Melchor A. And Mr. Hilaylay Warnell C. We also have Noval Pepito Ephraim C. We have Ramos J. B. We also have Reveal Senior Pepito B. We have Sanchez Noel A. Next is Sanchez Patricio J. We also have Sarapia Christian O. Next, we have Suico Don Anesito S. Next in line is Talog Joshua U. Next is Yanyas Giles A. Then last but not the least, we have Sambas Kent John A. Now we have the pictures at the back of the last name that I have called for certificate program. We have our very own, our NCMDC District Superintendent, Ruben Joel C. Asantista. Next we have Reverend Bobby D. Martinez, and yours truly. We have Reverend Nelson Emina Sr. We have Reverend Joyce Emina. We have also Reverend Ricky Bagnon. We have Reverend Harry L. Puran. We have Reverend Rogelio Martinez, Reverend